Determining what stereo speakers fit cars. Learn how to measure to find a replacement size. You have several options to learn what speakers fit your car. As you may know, cars usually come equipped with several different speaker sizes depending on their location. Small speakers may be located under grilles in the dash or front doors. Large speakers are usually placed near the rear of the car, such as those above the trunk. Every car model has a unique setup that conforms to the needs of that particular model. Of course, you will want to buy the best quality you can afford when replacing them. Here are some tips for how to determine what speakers fit your car. How are speakers measured? Car speakers are usually shaped in circles or ovals. A 6.5 speaker is a circular speaker that has an outside diameter of 6.5 inches. A 6x9 speaker is oval-shaped and 6 inches in one direction and 9 inches in the other direction. Other common sizes are 5.25, 6, 6.25, 6.5, 6.75, 4x6, 5x7, and 4x10. Another important measurement is the depth. Let's say your car has holes cut for 6.5 speakers, and you buy the best priced of that size. Then you try to install them and they won't fit because they are built too deep for the space behind the mounting holes. Avoid this problem by measuring the depth or by buying thin profile speakers. The hard way. If you're a hands-on kind of person, then you might like doing this the hard way. Remove the speakers from their mounts and measure them with a tape measure. You can also measure the mounting holes and the depth of the speaker mounts. This is a challenging way to find the right size. Online stores. Several online stores are devoted to electronics, and some provide excellent tools to help you figure out what size speakers are mounted in your car. My favorite is the What Speakers Fit My Car utility on crutchfield.com. All you have to do is select your car from a couple of drop-down menus, and it tells you the sizes. This is a very helpful tool, and you can buy your speakers from them, or look elsewhere. Forums. Almost every car made today has a forum created and moderated by enthusiasts and owners of that model. Even those that are no longer in production have forums devoted to modifications and improvements, racing, and repairs. If you do any work on your car, it's a good idea to search out the forums pertaining to you. Use Google to find the appropriate forum and either post a question or find a previous post about the same thing. Chances are, if you have a question, somebody else has already asked the same one. Adapters. If you have your heart set on smaller car audio speakers, or you want to use some that you already have available, you might want to consider using custom fit size adapters. They are also called custom brackets. These are plastic rings that are made to fit the factory-made car speaker slots, but they have an inner ring that accommodates alternative sizes. Quick tips: don't forget to measure the depth of the speaker cutout. Useful links: crutchfield.com